Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see the match predictions for um, Super Kings and Calcutta Knight Riders final of IPL 2021. Today's match is going to be very equal matches. Now, what we are going to see is how we can predict it, or how we are not going to say how we are going to predict it, and especially we are going to say who is going to win the match today. Before we go to that, we will see how they performed for the IPL 2021 season. When we start with CSK performed from the season starting in two halves. It was happening. One happened in India, another one happened in UAE. So in both the halves, CSK was performing very well, except the last three matches where they not played very well before playoffs. And in the playoff, they again started coming to form and they have performed very well. When we take Calcutta Knight Riders, the first half has been very worst for them, and the second half was really good because of their spinners dominant in the second half. Plus the new player who come in, whose name is Iyer, who performed really well. So for particularly final match, the 2021 final match, who will be winning? We will see it later. But before that, who are the players who can perform very well according to astrology? We will see. Before that, whenever you are going to predict through astrology, the predictions will be around 80 to 90, 80 to 100%. That's how we will be predicting. So in 100% we can expect around 80% accuracy will be there. What are the types we can use in astrology to predict matches is, we can do through prashana, we can do through the team's chart, we can do through the exact time of the match which will be played on the same day. So there are a lot of analysis can be done through all this. I have analyzed through prashana, and I have analyzed through the particular day how for each and every chart it's going to be. So I've taken every player's chart and then I've predicted through their chart and how they are going to perform today very well or not. So in this I'm going to say few names which they can actually do very well today. So if we take in that such a way, in CSK we can see Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis can perform really well, and especially noticeable performance will be there from Ravindra Jadeja today, because we haven't seen a much bigger performance from him except the last KKR match. So we can see a very noticeable performance from Ravindra Jadeja today. When we take to KKR, we can see the same, both the openers Simon Gill and Venkatesh Iyer will be performing very well. As usual, their spinners Sunil Narine and Varun Chakravarti will be playing very well today. So if you see the very noticeable players in today's match will be Sunil Narine and Ravindra Jadeja. The pitch is going to be same as before. In this particular ground, there are more than 8 matches happened. In these 8 matches, all 8 matches win by the person's team which chased the batting second, won the matches. If we take CSK have played 6 matches chasing and they have won all 6 matches. So this record means, because today CSK is also in favorable time, which means I felt CSK will win the toss and elected to bowl first, and then they will be going on winning the match today. So I prefer CSK will lift the trophy today. So according to my prediction, CSK will do really well today. So if this is my first video, so if there is anything you want to comment regarding this, you can do through the comment sections, so that if there is any mistakes I have done or to create a better quality videos, I will be make sure I'll do it. I will improve my voice as well as the video quality, audio quality, everything in further videos, because it's my first video I'm uploading. Hope this goes really well. So if you're playing with money, be very reasonable and don't put all your assets, don't risk too much money on it, just play, enjoy the match. As far as I am concerned, definitely today CSK will win the match today. So whoever feel like playing with money, you rather don't bet, go for a trading type of like Betfair or something, where you can trade out in a positions like 50% or 40% profits. So in future videos I'll be explaining how to trade, like not betting, how you can trade also I'll be explaining in the future videos. But right now our thing, we will be focusing only on CSK versus like Calcutta Knight Riders. So in this match, as I said, CSK will be definitely winning the match today, and the notable performing players will be Ravindra Jadeja, and Sunil Narine will be performing very well. This pitch is very spin friendly pitch, so you, according to the toss, you guys has to little bit change things, because whoever going to bowl first will be little bit favorable, so they will get a lot of wickets also. So team who bat first, you will give a more focus on to the team who bowl second, because of the dew factor also. But then they're not going to be performing little well, so um, problematic to grip the ball will be there. So what you guys do is, so give focus more onto the toss. Once toss is decided, you preferably go for whom do you think will be good. So for supporting Dream 11, I will let you know what are the exact team you can prefer for Dream 11. um, First, for Dream 11, if you take keepers, go with Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And when it comes to batsmen, go with 4 openers: Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Venkatesh Iyer, and Simon Gill. And go to all-rounders. If you go to all-rounders, Ravindra Jadeja and Sunil Narine will be the best options. And if you go to, as I said, it's a spinning wicket. So in bowling, you go for Varun Chakravarti, and then you give more preference to the spinning all-rounders. So bowlers, if you are really notable performance, you can go for Lucky Ferguson. These are my picks. So according to your picks, you can predict whatever the players I have told. They have a better performing capability as per astrology today than other players. So give preferences to these particular players. So I think you can make more points and then you can win also. So captain and vice captain options will be Sunil Narine and Ravindra Jadeja will be better options to go with. And score we are looking at around 140 to 160 is the average. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me. Whatever as per astrology, whatever you want to predict or any other games you want to predict, kindly ping me in the comment section. The more I will do, the more I will get practice, and I will do whatever I can possibly do for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. All the best for today's match. Thank you so much.